The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good Monday morning, everyone. Here's a look at current conditions here in Roanoke. Humidity is at 81%, so feeling sticky out there. Temperatures at 69 degrees. Winds are light out of the northeast at about 3 miles per hour. We are dealing with mostly clear and calm conditions. We're going to continue to see those conditions throughout our Monday, but we're going to be heating up around lunchtime. So temperatures are going to be rising out there. Then by this afternoon, we're going to see some hot temperatures and some humid conditions. Here's a look at how warm we get this afternoon. 94 for Roanoke, 84 for Floyd, 92 for Bedford. Lexington and Covington get to 94, as well as Danville, Independence, 84, and Pulaski, Wytheville, and Blacksburg all get to about 89 degrees this afternoon. Now, today is going to be the hottest day of this week. The reason being is because we're going to start to see the impacts of Debbie as it moves closer to us and as it rides along parts of the east coast of the U.S. So temperature trend this week is going to be on the decline. We'll be in the 80s both Wednesday and Thursday, and then Friday temperatures start to increase just a little bit. But let's have the latest information on Debbie. Currently churning out there in parts of the Gulf of Mexico, making an imminent landfall in either Taylor or Dixie County near Steinhatchee, Florida, here very, very shortly. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. We notice landfall happens when the center of circulation moves over land. So it's going to happen here very, very shortly. Something else that I do also want to show you is the accumulative rainfall that we've seen across parts of this storm. Just monumental amounts of rain have fallen across parts of the area. So we notice lots of deep pockets of pink here. Also, Tampa near the Sarasota area saw 9.5 inches of rain yesterday, and they aren't even experiencing the brunt of this storm. So already 7 inches of rain have fallen in and around the areas where landfall is going to be making its turn here very, very shortly. So hurricane warning still in effect. We still have tropical storm warnings in effect here in blue, spanning all the way up into parts of the coastal Carolinas. You see Charleston there highlighted in the tropical storm warning. Tropical storm watch is extending into Macon, Georgia, near the Columbus, Georgia area as well. Here's the latest information, the latest cone from the National Hurricane Center. This advisory came out about 50 minutes ago. Notice by Wednesday morning, it's just off the coast of the Carolinas, looking to re-strengthen and regather itself as it transitions from a hurricane to a tropical storm. Then on Friday, we're still tracking it in parts of the Carolinas. Then on Saturday, tracking it as it moves across parts of North Carolina. So it's going to be moving really, really slowly. And the reason for that is because we're dealing with two areas of high pressure. One out to the west, which is tugging winds out of the north, so bringing it down to the south, and then one out towards the east, which is bringing in winds from the south, which is trying to push it off to the north. So the models are having a difficult time on where these areas of high pressure are going to be, and that's why it's moving slow. That's why there's a little bit of uncertainty on where this storm is going to go in the next couple of days. So otherwise, we're going to stay mostly cloudy heading into the back half of the week, and rain chances are also going to increase. But this could all change in the snap of a finger here if Debbie decides to shoot off further east than expected. Alrighty, we'll have more information in the days to come.